Your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, if you look closely here, here's the polar jet. See these clouds and this snow kind of rolling like this? This is where all the cold air is, but all the deep moisture is near the Gulf Coast. That's a subtropical jet. When the two merge together, you get big storms. We had a big storm this weekend. They're currently kind of separate from each other, so no big system this week. We're going to have to wait until really late Friday night and into Saturday before we see a more robust storm system come through. But a little bit of spotty snow and ice on a couple, 3 instances this week, and then a little rain, all snow Friday night and Saturday with a lot of wind, and that could be accumulating snow as well, and then very cold getting into early March. Still looks like an unusually cold start to March 2019. This evening we become partly cloudy, wind chill still single digits, temperatures falling into the upper teens, and after teens tonight we rise to 25 by 9 o'clock in the morning. Couple patches of very light snow in our far northern counties. Otherwise, a mostly cloudy day tomorrow with a high temperature of 34. On Wednesday, a few little light freezing rain, sleet, and rain showers around in the morning. Doesn't look like a big deal. It's going to be really light. Temperatures rising to the low 30s. And then a few flurries late in the day. And after a high of 40, we fall as the winds pick up from the northwest behind a cold front. So all that said, getting into the next several days, you'll notice all the precipitation is very light. Again, a couple patches of very light snow way up here tomorrow morning. And then early Wednesday morning, a few patches of sleet or very light freezing rain. And that is it. You're really going to have to wait until Friday night and Saturday before a bigger storm comes in. Even on Thursday, just a few scattered sleet and little freezing rain and rain showers around. Again, the key word is light. This is the bigger system coming in Friday night and Saturday. A little rain initially, and then a lot of wind and a period of snow that may be accumulating snow. It's a little unclear how much, but the potential's there for accumulation. And then the winds crank up. This is Saturday. Early in the morning, notice these gusts 35, 40 miles an hour, and another round, Saturday afternoon, we may get some gusts 40, 45 miles an hour from the northwest, and if we can put some snow down, that'll blow and drift about. And check that out, wind chills by late next weekend may run 20 to 30 below zero. And it's March. Check out this reservoir of cold air moving south. This is the cold we're going to deal with for the first half of March, and we may get snow all the way down to the Gulf Coast in the first week of March with frost down to central Florida. Some of the coldest weather there all winter and in March of all time. 7-day forecast. The normal high is now low to mid 40s, but the best we're going to do for the next 7 is 40 briefly on Wednesday. And then after the snow Saturday, it's just a lot of wind, and then much colder Sunday and Monday, near, if not record cold, 15 for a high Sunday, 18 for a high on Monday. Overall, the coldest start to March since kind of a toss-up between 1978 and 1960.
Wow, that's maybe some bad news for fruit crops down in the south, huh?
It will be. Peaches blossoming now and pretty hard freeze.
Yeah, okay. Chad,
Yep.
Thank you. Still to come, President.